Well, hello, here we are in Maasai land. It's September 24th. We're setting up our hotel for the night, and this is for all of you who don't believe the Cleavers can camp.
Any more clearing to do? That's for real. What are you doing?
I am picking up firewood.
Sasa jana nikaja nikapiga tena.
And 50 feet down and no water yet, so they're using dynamite to loosen up the dirt. Hopefully find water.
We are now back to our Hotel Maasai. Right here.
Camping.
Camping. And our new friend James and his family lives right over there.
He's a pastor.
He's a pastor. And our new friend Byron, Westmont alum, is with us too. We're with him.
Hi.
Leading the charge here. Byron's going to go through our menu for tonight.
Yes, tonight we're having beef stew, potatoes, French, and then a little bit of rice.
Got some rice cooking over there.
And for dessert we'll have dried pineapple and maybe a little tea.
And we had an appetizer,
Yes.
the dried safari snack banana chips.
And beef jerky.
It was excellent.
Great meal.
We've got a visitor.
So say hello, Jaime.
Hello, Jaime.
Just wrapping up our campfire here. We got some
know
visitors.
Samuel?
What's your name?
Samuel.
Samuel, and what's your name? Huh?
Ayango. Well, we did it. We camped. It's just you and me, our tent, and the stars. No hotel. No hotel. No soft water bed.
We do have a mattress.
It's very comfortable. We had a wonderful time. I do think there's a fly in here buzzing around.
Yeah, there is.
And I know that Dave and Allison would never have that. They would have set up their tent in such a way to keep the flies out. We'll have to learn that next time. Byron delivered some beads, so the women are dividing up what they want to take and what they don't need, and there's some extras in the car. These are the women that make beads, ornaments that we're selling at CA. So that's what they're doing right now.
They left home at 5 a.m. to walk here. It's what,
Yeah.
almost 11?
Yeah.
And they'll put them on their donkeys and take them home.